actual reason why I actually bought the meter. I think it's one incredible meter, but the reason I actually bought it was to do inrush current. And what we're looking at here, guys, we're back to the data plate again, and what we're looking at here is the compressor motor. And we're coming over here, we actually tested our amps for the 9.5, we didn't exceed that. And what we're actually looking at now, guys, is this 63 LRA, locked rotor amps. Alright guys, so what we're actually going to do here is we're actually going to take our amp probe, we're going to pull it to amps. Okay, and what we're looking for is, see that icon down there in the left corner flashing? That's what we want to see. And right up here in the right hand corner is where we're going to see inrush. Alright guys, so what I was told to do is you basically just hit this joystick here. And we have inrush. Alright guys, so what we're actually going to do here now is we're going to take our meter, we're going to go ahead and hook it around our blue and black wire here, which we know is the common leading to our compressor. And now we're going to do our first inrush. And I've been looking forward to this for quite some time, guys. So we're going to hit the stat, and it should be just a few seconds before we see our inrush current. So there it is, 45.9, guys. Look how fast that is. Ain't that something? That's our inrush current right there. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here and hit this hold button. And we're good. Look at that. 45.9. All right, once we start getting up around that that mark, that the rating that was on the data plate over there, that might be a key indication that we might need to put a hard start on it. All right guys, arrived on the job. We're looking at an Allegiance 10-seer 2.5 ton unit here, straight AC, and the compressor wasn't kicking on. So basically I went ahead and I tested my amp draw here, and we were looking, the RLA here is 13.1. We're running a little high here, but I think we're still in the safe mode. This unit's a 1998 model, so we're roughly about 18 years old. What I merely did was I came in, I slapped on a capacitor here, and we've got 45.5. I had 5 microfarads on the fan side, 45 on the perm side, and I went ahead and I installed a kickstart. As soon as I put the kickstart on,